In the past, meditation has been associated with monks and yogis that sit all day, cross-legged in meditation and Om. But these days, let's face it, that way of life is not practical for most of us. So the Silva Life System is going to introduce you to something called dynamic or active meditation. You're going to learn how to meditate wherever you are, whether you're on the go or even if your eyes are open. One of the best things about the Silva Method is that you're going to learn to meditate all on your own without the use of audios and guided visualizations. So once you get the programming and you do some practicing, you're going to be able to do this anytime you need. So since this program is about accessing greater parts of your mind by utilizing more of your brain power, I'm going to go over some of the basic concepts of how the mind and the brain work. So have you ever wondered what the difference is between your brain and your mind? Your brain is simply an organ that is receiving and transmitting frequencies. It's physical, you can weigh it, you can measure it. But your mind, however, is not so easy to define. We often think of our mind as being inside of our head. I mean, it feels that way, right, when you're thinking? But really, it's intangible. It's completely subjective. Your mind is where all your memories are. It's where your imagination is. It's where all of your beliefs about the world and what's true or not true reside. I mean, your mind is infinite. It's an infinite resource for helping the body heal, process information, and help you achieve goals you always dreamed of. In the Silva Method, we're going to teach you how to slow down your brain frequencies so that you can access greater amounts of information in your mind. Now, slowing down your brain frequencies sounds like a complicated and possibly dangerous thing, but I can assure you it's totally natural. In fact, you do it naturally several times throughout the day already. For example, when you sleep, your brain naturally slows down to a different level of brain frequency depending on the depth of your sleep and your sleep cycles. You see, your brain is composed of approximately 100 billion neurons. Each neuron has a cycle, and the cycle is from where it fires off and then rests, and that's what they call their frequency. Your brain's many neurons are always pulsing at some frequency. So we're going to teach you to use meditation to help you slow down your brain frequencies into two primary levels, alpha and theta. We use these levels because they are the brainwave states that help you access your creativity, natural ability to heal, solve problems, and create what you want. Now, the average vibration of an adult's brain when you're wide awake is normally about 20 cycles per second. This is called beta. When you're at this frequency, you are totally aware of your surroundings, wide awake, and using your 5 senses to process the physical, objective world. Now, the alpha brainwave state is a slower range of frequencies, and if you've ever caught yourself staring off into space or daydreaming, you already know what this alpha state is like. These alpha frequencies are associated with creativity, imagination, and even intuition. So this is a dynamic state to be in, and we are going to be using it a lot in this program. You're going to learn to create it on demand so as to gain access to greater amounts of information and knowledge within. In addition, you're going to be conditioning your mind similar to how you condition your muscles with exercise. You're going to do this by accessing an even slower frequency of brain called theta. Theta is what you've already experienced when you're in that time of sleep, just as you're waking up in the morning or just as you're falling asleep at night. While you're in the theta state, the mind is capable of deep and profound learning, healing, and growth. And it's the brainwave state where our mind can connect to the divine. It's also where you can manifest changes, the ones that you want, in the material world. So we're going to help you access the theta state through the guided exercises, and that will give you more conditioning to access the alpha and theta whenever you need it.